We're going to be doing a standing march with a hip leveling correction. So if we find it difficult as we're marching that our hip drops, we're going to try and go into that march, either preventing that hip from dropping, or if it drops, once we're in that march, I want you to try and correct that drop before putting your knee back, or before putting your foot back down. So you can use something to hold on to, whether that's a chair or a handrail at the steps, but thinking about marching and keeping those hips level if possible. If we can't do that and our hips go out, then I want you to march, and if that hip drops, I want you to try and use your glute muscles to push those hips back in, creating that level hip positioning. And then you're going to alternate. And then again, if that hip drops, you're going to use those glute muscles to push your hips back underneath you, keeping those hips level. So focusing on either preventing those hips from dropping, or if they do, trying to correct them as best you can. And even if you can't get those hips perfectly level, if you can start to get maybe halfway there, that's still using the muscles that we want to use.